How to add withdrawal method to Gemgala. So in this video, I'm going to simply show you the available withdrawal method on Gemgala and how you can actually add it to your Gemgala. So looking right, here's my Gemgala app. So looking here is the home page. At the bottom, you can see the cat head icon. If you click on that like this, it is going to direct you to your profile like this. So looking right here, you can see Gem and also you can see coin. If you click on Gem like this, you're going to be able to see where you can see withdraw right here. So if you click on withdraw, that is when you're going to be able to see the Met wallet you've linked to your Gemgala. If you don't know how to link it, I've made a video on how to link your Met wallet. So I'm going to leave that video on this video's description. So when you click on the Met wallet like this, this is the Met wallet. So looking right here, at the top corner of your screen, at the top left corner, you can see the wallet icon. If you click on that like this, you're going to see withdrawal account. You can see wallet account, you can see withdrawal account. If you click on withdrawal account like this, this is where you're going to be able to see bank card and also ePay and USDT. So it depends on the one that you want to actually link. What you need to do is to just go ahead and click on bind. So let's say you want to use bank card, you can click on bind like this and then go ahead and input your bank code, that is your bank name. Select your bank name, let's say any of the bank, just go ahead and select your bank name like this and input your account number. So once you do that, go ahead and click on done and it is going to be binned to your account. So looking here, you can see that I've actually linked my own bank to this app already. Looking here, you can see my own, which is actually being dead right here. My account has been added to my Met wallet. So this is how simple it is to link your withdrawal method to your Gemgala. Hope you found this video helpful. Now hit the like button, subscribe and hit the notification bell. It has always been Daniel. See you in the next one.